Hi everyone, welcome to Nature Moments with Gabe. I'm here in South Cambridge and there's a pair of green herons. Here. Oh, look at that. Oh, amazing. Green herons are Ontario natives. They're around every summer. But they tend to be extremely shy. This is the best look I've ever had at one. And there's two. You can see they're much smaller than the great blue heron that we're used to. And just like the great blue heron, the name isn't super relevant. Great blue heron isn't super blue, and these guys aren't super green, but they're very cool little herons. They live a similar lifestyle to a great blue, but again, usually much more shy. Isn't that cool? Amazing. But they are specialist feeders on frogs, in particular these guys, but they'll certainly also eat fish or large invertebrates that are around the water. They'll eat small mammals too, sometimes. These guys are known for hunting by actually dropping little things onto the surface of the water as a little shade, and then a fish will come to try to get underneath the shade. And then the heron will eat them. You see they got the classic heron long, naked legs, good for wading in the water. And they've got a long spear beak to grab food out of the water. And their necks are relatively long, but they usually hold them curled up. Oh, look, I think this one is caught a dragonfly or something. I'm curious as to whether or not these are young ones, and that this is their first time away from, or kind of, they haven't experienced predators very much, or they have another parent around, or if this is a mating pair, or if this is a brother and sister, or something like that, siblings. I have seen adults with a very deep chestnut reddish color on the side of the neck that I don't see in these two. That makes me think that they're more likely juveniles, maybe only hatched this spring. The scientific name for the green heron is Butorides virescens, which means greenish bittern. You can see they have a streaky neck, which is very much like a bittern. Bitterns are the sneakiest group of herons, and I have no pictures or video of them because I only have ever gotten fleeting glimpses of them. They're so sneaky. And then, of course, there's the color. I guess on their back and wings, it is greenish, which is probably where that name comes from, greenish. It's an absolute privilege to see you. Oh, you're so cool. A little tail bob, I don't know what that's about, but it's cute. Also, it's thinking like tapping a finger. Despite their generally sneaky habits and their feeding on mostly aquatic life, when I have seen green herons, they're often sitting high up in a tree. And I don't know why. I don't know where this behavior comes from, but they seem to do it. I've often seen this in the late summer. Well, thanks for joining me for another quick nature moment with Gabe. Be sure to find joy and wonder wherever you are today. We'll see you next time.